Now, HTML colors can be specified in different ways. You can specify a color by the color name, the hexadecimal value. You also have this thing called HSL, which is a CSS3 value, and a HWB, which is CSS4 value. And all of these values support 140 names and thousands of hex values. So there's a lot of different colors you can use when creating colors in CSS. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a whole new project. You see I have a project 2 here, and so now I have a separate project from my project 1, and I'm going to add a new file by clicking on new file here, and I'm gonna name this style.css and hit enter. Okay, so now I have an index and I have a style. Now, we want these two files to talk to each other. So, but right above, I like to put my link tag above my title. So I'm going to type the word link and hit enter, and then type the S to get style.css. Now I've linked this file with the index, and I'm going to go over here to the style, and I'm just going to style the body with curly braces, and I'm going to set the background color, or I can just type BG in this case, and I can set it to I'll call it black. Okay, so now I have a background color of black. Now, one of the things that you could do, a lot of times web developers don't really use normal colors. So I can go in and click in this black area here. I'm just going to click inside here. And then I could change this RGB to maybe a shade of black. Red, green, blue. So I can change this to a shade, or I could click over here again and change the RGB. I can change the hashtag, which is what hexadecimal values are, and the color black is all zeros. But what if I wanted to just give it a little bit of a shade of a black? As you can see here, we can play around with these colors. The HSL as well, this is CSS3, again, different shades of black. And then an HWB, again, is also different shades of black. Okay, and so I'm gonna find me a nice little shade here. All right, so now my background color is not black anymore. It's HWB. It's a CSS4 color with some 0 percentages as well. You're not gonna remember all of these things. Just know this is what you can do with colors. All right, I'm gonna go back and put it to I'm just going to go back and put it to black. All right, so I'm going to take all of this out and type black. Okay, so now we got black. All right, now I'm going to add an H1, and that's going to be my title. Now notice I can't see anything because the H1 default color is what? It's black. So I'm going to style my H1, put the curly brace, hit enter, and I'm going to type color, and I'm going to type white. Okay, so here we have background color of black, and here we have color, which is your text color of white. I'm going to add a little paragraph, and maybe I'll add some dummy text, 50 words of dummy text. And again, the default color is black, so I can't see this unless I take my mouse and just kind of highlight over it. So I'm going to go back to style, and what are we going to style this time? We're going to style the P. Okay, and so we're going to add a color to that, and I'm going to go with beige. Okay, and now I have a beige color for my paragraph. So now we see background color and text color can be used in CSS. There's a whole lot more that we're going to cover, but I hope you got a chance to kind of see how it's used before. Now, if I didn't have this link tag right here, let me take this link tag out. If I take that link tag out, nothing is styled, okay? It just looks like a regular HTML file. So again, I have to put the link tag in style.css in order for your styles to take effect.